Oh, hey everybody, Mike from Logan's. It's July here in North Carolina, which means it's hot. One of the biggest problems we see this time of year is drought stress. This poor guy here, this heuchera, he's got it. Do you see these weeping leaves, these crunchy potato chip browning leaves? Those are surefire symptoms of drought stress. That means he hasn't had enough water. If you see any of these symptoms in any of the plants in your landscape, it's time to get out the watering can or grab the hose from the spigot and do a little supplemental watering. If you're fortunate enough to have an in-ground irrigation system, we recommend that people run those about 45 minutes to an hour, enough to lay down an inch worth of water in the area that it's trying to cover. Also this time of year, the pests are in full force. So if you've seen holes in the leaves of your roses or bugs eating your squash in your veggie garden, it's time to do a little bit of what we call integrated pest management. We have a lot of organic, easy on the environment solutions to help control common garden pests. One of the best of those is insecticidal soap. This is from Bonide. As you can see, it comes ready to go in a spray bottle. You just spray down the affected plant, try to catch as many of the bugs as you can, maybe do it early in the morning, first thing. If you reapply about once every 3 days for about 3 weeks, you should see a marked improvement in the health of your plant and a reduced number of those pests. If you don't feel comfortable spraying anything, we also offer ladybugs. These are nature's warriors. They'll eat the aphids on your roses. They will really keep a watch over your veggie garden. They are a great sort of low impact biological solution for a lot of common garden insect problems. The other big problem we see this time of year are fungus. Fungus-based diseases and bacteria are really what we see more than anything in July in North Carolina. If you see any of that in your landscape, white powdery leaves, fungal blights, the best low impact solution for that is, again, something from Bonide. It's called a copper fungicide. This is great for organic gardening, easy on the environment, and much like the insecticidal soap, if you apply this about every 4 days for about 3 weeks, make sure you cover the whole plant, you should see a marked improvement in the health of your plant. It prevents the spores from spreading around to the plant neighbors. It's really a great solution. Lastly, this time of year, if you've got any of these tropical plants in your landscapes, hibiscus, vincas, sweet potato vine is a popular one, banana trees, maybe you grow sunflowers in your garden. All of those plants are heavy feeders, especially this time of year. The temperature's ramping up, they need a lot of nutrition. We like to lean towards the organic-based solutions for things like that. Earthworm castings by NCAP, these are a great form of slow-release nitrogen. Sprinkle it in a container or around the base of your plant in the landscape, and it's a great form of nutrition. Fox Farm also has a lot of water-based, organic, liquid fertilizers. These are easy to use. Mix it in your watering can with a little bit of water, and then sprinkle it in your pottery or maybe out in your landscape if it's an in-the-ground plant. Just a great organic, low-impact solution. Miracle-Gro has just come out with a line of granular, slow-release, entirely organic-based fertilizers for the landscape. These are great. They feed slowly over time. Again, it's organically based. They last for about 2 or 3 months, so one application this time of year should be enough to keep all of your heavy feeders in your landscape fed. If you've got any of these issues in your gardens, come on down to Logan's. We'll find the solution right for you.